Okay, so hologram display, basically hologram display. This is hologram display fan. So you can see it's a
play. As you can see, when I spin this, there are LED lights.
It's only a fan, right?
And as it spins really fast, it plays.
So when you rotate it faster, so there are video information recorded inside this fan. There are video information recorded. There's a memory chip actually. It stores video information and it's there in the fan. And these LED lights are changing according to that. But what will happen if you rotate this faster?
Different as compared to LED panels. Well, there are actually blades spinning like a fan. So videos start playing inside here. It feels how it becomes. Plays a record. Let's do a trial run on this and find out how it works. The installation of this device is just a couple of works back instead of the one that I have uploaded to the device's memory.
Okay. Basically, what you do, you upload various files to this 3D fan, this fan, hologram fan, and then if you on this, it start playing the video. But when playing the video, see what happens.
Yes, it supports a variety of format because this is a media player by Arm, so you can upload your widescreen type of content and you can transcode and convert it into a one-by-one aspect. And that might not look nice on the device, on this device, because basically it plays one-by-one aspect of this video very well, unless you're doing a wall on the back so that you can play widescreen videos. So you do have a couple of controls here. I like a media player. You can do the content. You can set how many turn on, find out how it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, can you see what's happening when it's played? So
Yes, sir.
When it plays, okay, you can see due to changing of the lights in the fan, but you can't touch this, right? Then the fan will hit you. So you can't touch this. But because of the rotation, so it shows this in a 3D way. So that is what happened. This is 3D hologram display. You can also try to create one, but so this is quite difficult. You have to use LEDs and configure them, but so still you can buy this from the international market. But I have not seen much in the local market. In near future, we will get some in our market too, right? I have not yet seen anything in local market similar to this. Then when you have a lot of fans rotating together, it can create like, so here actually that one is not there. If there are a lot of fans, you can create a large display using this hologram fan. Right, it's a 9-fan version. Okay, this is using more fans, right? In this video, see this is using more fans. Then you can create large shapes, right? When you have more fans, you can create large shapes as in the space. So yes.
Sir, do we need to connect Bluetooth to hologram fan?
Yes.
From the phone?
Yeah, you have to connect Bluetooth from phone. Bluetooth or there's a memory also, right? So rather than just transferring using Bluetooth, you can transfer to the memory card using these technologies, but basically without even connecting, you can play because there's a memory card also. Some advanced versions, there's a memory card to store the video. Okay, now I think you have the idea. It's kind of interesting. No, in future maybe you will see this content. In future, you will see this content regularly in places, especially the product demos and all. You will see these things regularly, and not only that. So the holographic display, as I said, holographic display. So you can do this, right? You can do by your own. the holographic display can be created using a small pyramid like this. So if you have glass, වීදුරු තියනවා නම් ඔයාලට වීදුරු දැන් මාළු ටැංකි හදන වීදුරු තියෙන ඒවා අවුලක් නැහැ. හරි. ඒක shape. ඉතින් ඒ වගේ එකක් අරගෙන ඔයාලට පුළුවන් මෙන්න මේ වගේ එකක් හදාගන්න. You can see. You can create this kind of thing. මේ වගේ මේ වීදුරු හතර පැත්තට එන්න හදා ගන්න ඕන පිරමීඩයක් වගේ. You got to make. So this is not giving this kind of sharp image, but anyway you can just create. So even small one you can create using plastic, transparent plastic, but my recommendation is use glass. Use glass is more reflective than plastics. And this is how to do it by yourself. This is DIY project. So when something is DIY, it instructing you how to do step by step, right? If you want to search something, how to do it by yourself, this is do it yourself. Do it yourself. That is what DIY. So when you have DIY, just you can go to the instructable. You can see the first result is instructable, and here you can see the DIY example. And so here it shows how to create this. You have to create this kind of pyramid. Then after doing that, after creating this kind of pyramid, you can keep it in. After creating this kind of image, you can just keep it on top of your phone or on top of your tab, or if you have a laptop, you can make it make it 90 degrees. You have to turn this 90 degrees and apply this. And I think I have one which is created by myself, but this is very old video. I'm not sure whether it's there in YouTube. So I have created this hologram. Yeah, this is the one. So this is 6 years ago, right? So see here, we have done this in 6 years ago. So you will not feel the 3D thing. 3D එක පේන්නේ නැති මොකද ඒ දවස්වල වීඩියෝ ක්වලිටි එක එහෙම එච්චර හොඳ නැහැ. But just we experienced that inside a pyramid. What we did is we have used, and this one also, we have used this kind of pyramid. But anyway, the project preparation is not there. So this only shows the footage. This only shows the footage, so it's not really clear. Right. Anyway, you can create this by yourself and try this, right? So this is how it works on smartphone. පුළුවන් නම් මට හදලා පෙන්නන්න. ප්ලාස්ටික් වලිනුත් හදන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ ප්ලාස්ටික් අර පොලිතින් වලින් නම් බෑ. ප්ලාස්ටික් වලින් පුළුවන්. එක්ස්ට්‍රා කාඩ් වගේ ප්ලාස්ටික් එකක් තියෙනවා නම් සෙලෝ ටේප් දාලා හදන්න පුළුවන් මේකේ. This shows the instructions. Here it's cutting. You can find this kind of boards, no? This is a plastic board. You can find this kind of boards or floppy disk වල එහෙම තියෙන. Easily you can find this kind of board. And then cut it. After cutting, just set it like this and tape it. Okay. After taping, you can create this kind of pyramid. Okay, then you have to play this kind of video. මේ වගේ වීඩියෝ එකක් play කරන්න ඕනේ. මේ හතර පැත්තකින් හතරක් තියෙන. Then see from the corner, and you can see in the 3D way here when you turn off the lights, you can see in a 3D way butterfly is flying inside this pyramid. Actually, that is what is happening. The reflection from this will come and it will create intersection of this reflection in the middle, and thereby you can see the video. So this is more clear. Right? You can try this alone at home. and show me after doing that. Take a picture and send it to me. You can use a plastic board, right? Easily you can use a plastic board.
So how we can find a video like that?
So you know, you want the link. Okay, let me share the same link. I'll share the same link, keep it with you. And next day you can apply, you can just try this. So
No,
to
sir,
find, you want to
sir,
find videos like this, DIY.
sir.
Yes, just DIY. Then what you want to create. So in front of that DIY, do it yourself. Then type what you want to create. DIY, if you want to create a projector, DIY projector. In the YouTube, just search. Yes.
Me, sir. Sir, I didn't ask that.
Mhm.
I mean, like how we can find a video.
Hologram video.
Yes, sir.
Just search hologram video. You'll get this. Right? This one or this one will work for you. Okay? Or this one. Just search hologram video and that's all. And this, yes, using a bottle also you can do this, no? Here you can see. This guy has done this using a bottle.
Sir, is it okay if it has only a one picture?
One.
Picture like it's on the middle.
One picture on the middle, no. Then you can't see that. This is
Okay,
using a
sir.
bottle. This guy has done this using a bottle. But that is not perfect. The perfect way is the pyramid, right? This is not perfect. This is like a lazy try. The perfect way is pyramid. Okay. Right. Then I think you know how to do this now. You can just apply and see. So that is also a projector, the 3D projector. That's what we talk. Okay. Next one. What is next one? What is there here and what is there?
Good grammar and spelling are important, but if you want to write essays that inspire,
Better turn off the video audio, right? Hirusha, turn off the microphone, right? Okay. So then, so let's go here. So what is this one? The D-link. This one is identify the device. What is this one? This is called network switch, right? Network switch. If you don't know, please write down. Network switch, which is used to connect computers together. And the second one is router. The second one is a router. Oh, you can say network router also. Router or network router. In addition to these things, so mention other device that should be installed in your computer laboratory. What are the things in addition to this? What you can find in the computer laboratory? Yes, you can see UPS, right? You can think and write those things, no? So in addition to these things, you can see UPS. It is compulsory to have because so when a power issue there, UPS helps us. And then you might have in other than this UPS, router, modem, projector, printer, scanner. What else? Monitor can be there, and system unit can be there.
Speakers?
Your speakers can be there. Speakers can be there, and external hard disks can be there.
Sir,
Yes, CD, DVD can be there.
can webcam be in computer laboratory?
Yes, sure, can. Webcam is correct. Webcam can be there. These are the possibilities. These are the possible answers. right?
Okay, sir.
UPS, monitor, system unit, speaker, external hard disk, CD, DVD, webcam. There are more, right? But these are the basics. Barcode scan can be there in the lab. CCTV can be there in the lab. CCTV cameras and DVR, digital DVR.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, why would we use a barcode scan in the computer lab?
So basically some labs to mark attendance, the modern labs, to mark attendance, they are using barcode system. Or
Okay,
to
sir.
keep inventories also, they can use barcode system to keep inventories.
So what's DVR?
DVR is, see with the CCTV, you have DVR unit, no? Digital video recorder unit. If you have CCTV, you will have a DVR too. DVR is basically, CCTV is the camera, right? And DVR is what? Digital video recorder. That is the place where the recording happens.
Okay, sir.
Right? Okay, please write down those things. And next question is asking us to mark these true and false, but actually, so for today, our time is up because we have discussed many other things today to our general knowledge. For sure, we can finish the next thing, the chapter 2 activities next day. And after that, we can start chapter 3. And please remember that after finishing chapter 2, you will get an examination. After finishing chapter 2, you will get an examination through Edmodo. All of you have to face that exam. That is online exam. That is not tomorrow, not actually next week. After next week, we will arrange it and let you know. You have to answer in a convenient time, but that is limited period. That means if you open the quiz, you have to answer same time. You can't close it. But within 1 week of time, any time you can select, and in that time you have to answer the questions and complete the exam. Right, okay. With that, I'm going to stop for today. And if you have questions, please send to the WhatsApp. Right, I saw that one student has sent the request to join the course. I'll proceed with that. If others also really need it, please let me know, then I can help them doing the same. Okay, then see you all in next week. Good night. Bye.
Good night,
night,
sir.
sir.
Thank
Bye,
you,
sir.
sir.
Okay,
Bye, sir.